Welcome to Naturaliss Jamaican Home Cooking. This week I'm going to be doing pancake. Alright, if you're just joining, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. Yeah? Tell a friend to tell a friend and 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 a friend, friend, and then another friend. Come make we bubble a pot. So we have our counter flour, right? Going to add about 2 cups of counter flour. I'm going to sieve this. We have our mixed spice by Island Spice, not sponsored by Island Spice. Add 1 teaspoon mixed spice. So we have our baking powder. Add 1 teaspoon baking powder. So we have our salt. Add a pinch of salt. Now we're going to combine all the dry ingredients together. So we have our cow's milk by Miracle, not sponsored by Miracle. Add ½ cup of cow's milk. Have our vanilla by Benjamin, not sponsored by Benjamin. Add 1 tablespoon of vanilla. Right, we would normally use butter, but I don't have any butter now, so I'm going to add some vegetable oil. Add ½ teaspoon vegetable oil. Last but not least, we have our eggs. We're going to add 2 eggs. So we add our egg. Right, so we crack them in a separate bowl just in case the eggs are spoiled. We don't throw it in the mixture. Right, so we add our second egg. So now what we're going to do, we're going to add ½ cup of water. Right, and then we're going to combine everything together. Going to add about 1 tablespoon of cooking oil just to grease the pot. Can use butter as well. So what we're going to do now, we're going to add our mixture to the pot now that the pot is hot. Yes, the pancake is ready. You know, test it out and see what's going on. share, comment and subscribe for more videos. Tell a friend to tell a friend and a friend to tell a friend and 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 a friend. Friend, and then another friend. Boom!